The exercises we're going to be looking at here are from Vitruvia Concept 4. Now these are similar to the exercises in Vitruvia Concept 3, with the only difference being that the build instructions here can involve multiple sentences. And the real benefit, basically, of multiple sentences is that we can now give build instructions for any Lego artifact that can be constructed from the shapes and colors that we've been focusing on. So let's take a look at the first concept in exercise 4. So the build instructions are here. It consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. The first sentence says, put a 4x2 red brick at location 0, 0. 0, 0 is the reference point for this brick. That's the lower left corner of it. And the shape is 4 wide and 2 tall. Then we move on to the next sentence in our build instructions. And it says put a 4x2 blue brick at location 4, 0. This is the reference point of the brick, lower left corner, and it's also 4 wide and 2 tall. And then the next sentence is put a 2x2 blue brick at location 0, 2. It's right here. Put a 4x2 yellow brick at location 2, 2. Now let's say I had forgotten to select my color and I started doing this. I don't have to clear the screen. What I can simply do is, one choice is to erase if you want to be real nice and neat about it, or what I could have done here is just click the yellow and overwrite this, right? So this is a 4x2 yellow brick at location 2, 2, which is the reference point for that brick. And then the last one is a 2x2 red brick at location 6, 2. And so that completes the construction of our artifact. Let's submit this, make sure we got it right. We did, good. Let's move on and take a look at one more set of build instructions. So this artifact here can be constructed from these 3 sentences. The first sentence says put a 1x1 red brick at location 0, 0. 1x1 red brick at location 1, 0, and then a 2x1 blue brick at location 1, 0. So now one thing that I would like to point out is that the blue part of this artifact has the same shape as the red part of this artifact, but was constructed through a different set of sentences here, right? It is worth noting that any artifact really can be constructed by just put 1x1s everywhere. But the advantage of having these larger puts is that it's fewer instructions. Things can be built more precise. The build instructions are smaller. All right, so practice these exercises, and when you feel comfortable, move on and take the test on Vitruvia Concept 4. Good luck.